are practicing clean seeding here. This is what a peeper. Yeah, so we're clean seeding these bananas to do transplanting, you understand? Yeah man, so we just nice them up. And we put them here so. Yeah man, normally in that's the agriculture term, clean seeding. We normally would dip them here in so a fungicide red meal. Yeah, so red meal before you transplant them. Yeah man. So you know. And the thugs them out here, I don't know enough. In my channel nice, you know man. Wildlife is our life, you know, you understand? Yeah man. And soon we have to save ourselves with what? Food! Yes man. Out here with no fear, you understand? And out here with no fear man. So we're practicing clean seeding right now. Transplant banana, you know? Yeah man, a lot of people out in our world, they really know them just go to supermarket, go buy. But these are not bananas, you know. Banana family, these are plantains really. Yeah man, from the same family. Yeah. So just removing like the bad spots where you have the borers who make holes. You understand? Then when you dip in the chemical, yeah, red meal fungicide. And then we're gonna have a follow-up video where we are transplanting them. You understand? Yeah man. See it there? People. For real. One time when my grandfather usually plant these and in the clean seed them, he normally throw something in the hole where they call mock up. One grey, grain like thing. If he, you know, kill it, I think if he worm, he bore them. Yeah. Oh, mock up still exists? Okay. Firadan. That's our nematicide. Oh, yeah man, come forgot to say bore them are nematodes. Yeah boy, I put back the agriculture knowledge in my brain. That's a specialist there. Yeah man, for real. When I peel them all the way down so in green, me think say too, I think say me abuse the plant, you know. For real. That's why I made the left silica sitting pan for me. Yeah, those are the nematicide. No, the nematodes all. Nematicide I chemical we use to control them. Right, I'll dig out the one we see on demonstration. I'll use the digger to remove, you know, these plants because we're gonna move them from one area to the next. Yeah man. Say man no say. Yes did it. And two they're close together man. That's like a mother and a daughter. Yeah. So normally in the banana and plant production they would call the main tree here the mother and the one closest or mother say next largest in size they would call the daughter, and from the daughter to the granddaughter, and the small ones like these. Away people there. Yeah. And these small ones would normally on this part here Yeah, but remove you would call the peeper. This is like one little plant, one little bud they would call it, we shoot out, we grow into one of the big plants them, you know? Yeah man.
And a nematode,
The borer is not a nematode?
insect.
The borer is an insect, so a nematode are what?
Worm-like.
Oh, worm like borer is not nematode. Okay, because nematodes are normally worms, surreal. Yeah man, we stand corrected man. This channel we take correction man. We take correction for the channel. You see me? Yeah, that's another peeper. Let me see it here. Oh, yeah, and that growing on when I sucker them, no sir? Right. Right, like one of those. Oh, for real, for real. Get your look a clean seed in the herds up on the final few, yeah. I work on watch over to you know, man. Yeah, my people. So these are the planting area where we are gonna transplant our planting sucker. So here is the line. We do a measurement of 10 by 10. Yeah, and we have the stakes here. Each one of these stakes represent a planting, different from the well, the 2N ones are gonna use just the same. So we are just giving you a little preview first before we dig the holes and before we do the transplanting. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you one more time from upwards. There you go. Yeah.
Now clean seed the planting. And this actually is a maiden sucker. So once we clean seed and get rid of most of the dark spots, or in other words the infested areas, as you can see, it prevents the reinfestation of the plant while you remove all of its roots, leaves and everything. So you put the plant in a survival mode. So while it's in survival mode, it doesn't require or need any form of infestation from insects or nematodes or anything like that. So we clean the area. So once we have clean seeded,
Volume.
once you have clean seeded and I'm satisfied, what I'll do, I'll just place it inside of the hole that was already pre-dug, about a foot or 12 inches deep. Sometimes it can be a little deeper depending on the size of the corm and the sweeter stem. And once you put it down, set it really good, then you cover.
Normally I heard that they cut that part slant, the pseudostem, to make the water run off to prevent rot.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and that's why you slant the cut, so the water doesn't settle on top of it.
Right.
Yeah. So we cover. Now, naturally where I'm at in Hanover,
Right.
we live in the rain belt.
Rain belt. What's a rain belt, sir?
Alright, the rain belt is an area where predominantly you get more rainfall than anywhere else in the island.
Right.
Right, so you have some parts of Portland that has the same kind of climate.
Right.
And then you have a part in Hanover where they call Rumble.
Right.
And you have the border between, from, as a matter of fact, from Montpelier to Addo in Westmoreland.
Right.
You have a rain belt. So back in the days when Michael Manley gave farmers in Jamaica 5-acre land, he gave them land in this region
Right.
to do dairy and beef production.
Right.
So it was more likely because of the rain.
Right. Right.
So the grass will grow very fast.
Right.
So the animals always have feed. Yeah,
Makes
most of the
sense.
farmers don't really do it anymore. So, you know, people like me come to plant plantain and bananas.
Right. Yeah, man. Thank you, Mr. Green. That's a specialist again. You will be seeing a lot of him.
And then just to interrupt a little bit.
Right.
If I don't water now, because normally you water.
Right. Right after transplanting, you
The rain will
water.
come.
The rain will come. Yes, because you said the rain belt, and that's a word that I have to put in the description, also the definition. Rain belt. That's a very important word.
Yep.
All right, so thank you, Mr. Green. Yeah, man, big up yourself. Yeah, Zimmy just plant our planting sucker. Yo, Nally, yo. Feel good, feel good, feel good. Yeah man, it feel good.